Do you know you can use birds in your garden as little minions? Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Including a perimeter of birdhouses around in your garden plans can actually make a perimeter defense for your garden. Birds can be your first line of defense against pests. Lining your garden with birdhouses is one way to do this. Plus, it'll save you a fortune in buying and spraying pesticides, and who wants that on their garden anyway? Go ahead and let the birds make a meal of your garden pests. Everyone knows when you've got a lot of mouths to feed, you've got to eat a lot of insects if you're a bird. And in the spring, it's a great time to bring in nesting birds to nest boxes, and they're going to have a lot of those cute little mouths to feed. Be sure to also provide them with a source of water to help keep them right in your yard full time. I have a pair of mourning doves that like to nest in my pine tree. Some people make chicken tractors and use their chickens to do the same thing. Other gardeners, like Courtney at Wide Family Farm, use Muscovy ducks or khaki Campbell ducks to eat the bugs in their garden. Frogs are another good way to get rid of bugs in your garden. My friend Carol at a Fishes and Loaves Life lives in Florida. She's got one of these little iguanas in her yard. My mother always said it was good luck to have a gardener snake in your garden because they would eat all your bugs and keep your garden safe. If you like my videos, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. You don't want to miss another episode. I've got some great ones coming out this year.